Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again in another video. We came back to analyze for you the Bitcoin, guys. So as you see what it done here, and if you remember what me I told you in the last video, you can even go back and watch it. What did I told you here about that zone here? I told you we got here a pin bar. Look how it happened here, and look how it happened here, and look how it happened here in that zone. Yes or no? And I told you how we are going to know if that pin bar is valid and is going to push the price higher like that, or is going to be like how it happened here, then it's going to be a continuation pattern like here and here. I told you need to wait in the next day candle, that one which is going today. That one what is indicating we are going higher. And I give people, the scalpers and day traders, to enter in 30 minutes. I give them a signal to enter in the last video. You can go back and watch it. The last video in 30 minutes, we give the scalpers and day traders to enter from that zone here. Why? Because in 30 minutes, we got a very clear head and shoulder, guys. Like that. Everything is very clear, guys. And here, why the market now it's reversing? Because us here we got a very stronger zone, guys, as you see it. It might now market is going to make a small correction like that, then after that it's going to go back here, then we're going to see what's going to happen, because now that in the future, not now, also we're talking about what the market going to do today and tomorrow, because me every day I'm update you with 2 videos. So now the market what is going to do, now I think there is a correction going to come till where, maybe till here, till that zone here. Look with me very close here, so you see it, guys, till that zone here. Then we're going to see if it's going to hold here in that zone or it's going to drop again, because that's how is the market working. Because I show it to you before. What did I told you? If you remember and you've been with us, what did I told you? I told you it might the Bitcoin here give you here, as you see it, a head and shoulder. It started now reversing here, but not yet completed, guys. It need to move higher. Everything is too clear, guys. It need to move more higher to break for us the last high, which is here. It need to come back and to break for us that high. If it's going to complete the head and shoulder, if it's not, it's going to fall down. But me personally, I think it's going to fall down. Why? The interest rate of USA is going to come in 21. So you need to make a close eye at that one, what the Fed Chair Powell going to say about the interest rate. If they are going to increase by 75% or 100%, that is going to make a big difference. And you need to see the unemployment rate, what is going to say, because after the Fed is, I think, is going to come non-farm payroll. So you need to make a close eye at those things. So that's the level you need to make the eye at it here, at that one. It might from that one, the market came to it like that, then after the drop. So make a close eye at those things. And here, I showed it to you before, what we got here in the daily. Here, a head and shoulder, very clear, guys. Hasn't breaking for us the lower, but and I show you how to calculate in the lower. Go back to the last video and watch it, guys. I told you it need to break for you that zone, not one level, not here, not just here. It need to break for you that zone, all of it. That zone we started from here. If you see from here, the lower of that tail here, that one will fall down till 17k, tail here. If it's break it, you're going to see the Bitcoin at 10k. If it doesn't, if the Bitcoin stay holding here in that zone and stay here sideways, we are not going to go to 10k. That's the bottom, guys. Till now the Bitcoin, it's showing a stronger rejection and it doesn't want to go to 10k. It's showing here the bottom, but if it's breaking for us lower, we are going to go to 10k, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, you watching me, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because every day we put in 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free, or you can join our Telegram channel. The link of it is in the first comment. Like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. And you If you are a subscriber, please smash that like button and write for us a comment. Help us growing up more that channel. Also, we still very small channel compared to those bigger ones. They got thousands of subscribers, guys. So help us by smashing the like and writing for us a comment. Write anything because the comments they helping channel to growing up. So writing for us down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's continue it now. Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what it's saying here. Look with me close here at that here. What it's saying, our indicator there. What did I told you before? I told you got here, a zone here. I told you it came to it here, it reversed, it came to it here, it reversed, came to it here, it reversed, and now it came to it. Look at it, what it's doing now. Let's zoom it a little bit, like that. What our indicator doing, guys? He came here, he picking, he going back upward now. Maybe from here, it will fall down, or maybe it will go until it will touch in that zone here again, and after that it will fall down. Channel also still down, guys, because when it touching here that zone, it fall down. Same thing like here, and that zone is a very stronger trend line, by the way, for the people who just came. That one also we follow it from 2021. So as you see it, that one the divergence of the falling trend also is still in it till now. Who moved the Bitcoin from 70k, guys, till where we are, till 17k. So that the trend line is very stronger, and as you see, every time he touch it, he fall down. So now what the view, there is no buying, no selling here in the daily, guys. In the daily, if you are an investor or a positional trader, there is no buying. Just look at the market, what it's doing. Or they say, if you don't want to analyze, you don't want to do nothing, just they say like that you're going to be more, you don't care about what the market doing. I think everything is too clear here. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. It came till here. Here, it's showing like a small correction here, as you see it in the chart. But now in the chart, it's showing like it's going to reverse, but we don't know what's going to happen. Me, I think it's going to go back again to touch the oversold area, but let's wait in what the market going to do. Maybe it will not. Maybe from here it will make it like that and go higher. If it do like that, I'm going to give you a signal to enter. So let's wait in the coming days, because the signal to enter, if it break for us that head and shoulder, me I told you here, you need to enter, guys. Or another one here, if you look very close with me here, what you see in here and here, what you got. And I show you those ones before. I told you the Bitcoin, when there is a bull run, you always break in the triangle, and when there is a bear or a falling market, he always give you a head and shoulder. And that what here you got both of them. You got a triangle here and you got a head and shoulder. So if it came here and breaking for you the up of the triangle, you enter long, guys. If it's breaking for you the lower of that head and shoulder, you enter short. Everything is too clear here. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. By the way, did you smash in the like button? Please go ahead and smash it, my friend. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go now to see what is it in 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what did I told you? If you remember, I told you got here a level. Yes or no? Here down, I told you anyone can see that level. Is very clear here. And where is the next level? Next level, we got it. Is here. Yes or no? And the Bitcoin here, what it's showing here in that zone, here. It's showing a rejection. Now it's going back upward. It's going higher and higher. Now where it will go? I told it will go till here, till that level here, or it will touch the 200 moving average at that time. Then after that, it's going to drop, guys. So now for day traders and scalpers, it's a good opportunity to earn a few money. But for swing trader and positional trader, not yet, guys. So everything is in front of you here. So, and here, as you see here, if you go to 30 minutes, it's going to give you that very clear head and shoulder, guys. Here, it's not clear, but let's go in down and see what is it there. And here, what did I told you before? I told you we used to have here a small flag like that. Like that we used to have a flag. Now that candle which is going now, it's breaking that flag. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Look with me here very close here. Here we go at the flag, guys. As you see it, it came to that green candle here. It show a rejection. And that candle which is going now, it's breaking that flag as you see it. In that candle here, it's breaking that flag. But that candle, it's left for it 4 minutes to finish. So if it's finished like that, you're going to see the Bitcoin go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated. And let me to show you in my chart what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you as you see it, guys. In my chart, what I got. Look with me here, very, very close here. Look at that candle here, that one. When it came to it, it shows us that in that level a pin bar. That candle here is a pin bar as you see it. Then the market it's moving higher and higher now. And that candle which is going now, that one, it's breaking that level. Where is the next level? Is that one as we got here. Is it here? It started from 2800. So you need to make a close eye at that level. For day traders and scalpers, yes, we enter from here till here, and now we are in the profit, and here we're going to take the profit, guys. I'm talking here about day traders and scalpers. For positional traders, we touch the upper of that channel, the lower of the channel is down here. That one, there is not a big move. That one is just going to go till here, then it's going to fall down again till down here. Everything is too clear, guys? Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it came here, it stay here sideways. Now it going here to that zone. Now what the view is going to come to touch here that zone, and after that is going to drop. The entry is going to be here down when it touch him for us the trend line of the divergence was push up last time, or maybe it's going to drop till the oversold area, guys. Till now there is no buying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, if you remember what I told you yesterday, here started giving us a buying signal, yes or no? Yes, I tell it to you. And what is it, the price action we used to have here? That flag. If it's breaking for you, that flag, I will show it to you before in the 4 hours. You need to enter, guys. Here in the 4 hours, I'm talking. In the 4 hours, if it's breaking for you, that flag I show you, enter long. That's it. There is nothing easy more than that, guys. If it's breaking for you, that flag, enter long, guys. And the take profit, it needs to be here. We need to reach that one to the overbought area. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. And we're going to complete if we're going to enter at the 4 hours or no. So let's go into 30 minutes. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, look with me. Look very, very, very clear here. Ahead and shoulder, guys. Did you see it or no? It's very, very, very clear head and shoulder, guys, here in 30 minutes. Did you see it? Also, we are the only channel we told you to buy, we told you to sell. The others, they don't tell you those things. Look at it. And by the way, the people, they follow me here in 30 minutes, may I give them a signal to enter from here, from that zone here. Then they are now in profit. Where is the take profit of us is going to be here. Here in that zone, we're going to take the profit. Us now, we are in the profit. Why we enter from there? I'm going to explain it to you, guys. Also, we don't hide nothing from you. Everything we give it to you. Look, what did I told you yesterday? I told you got here a wage. Like that and like that. Where it's break it here. Where is going to be the take profit of us? Here. Yes or no? And another thing, what did I told you? Here in 30 minutes, the market gave us here a small head and shoulder. He break it for us. Where he break it for us? Here. Then us, what we done? We calculating from here to here. Exactly where we said here. Exactly here. Yes or no? If you are being subscriber with us, smash the like button, tell us yes you did. And here now what it's showing to you, look at it, look here, look at that head here, and look now here another head. Where is the neckline? Is here, guys. It hasn't been broken. The neckline, it needs to break for the 200 moving average. Everything is too clear, guys. That's for the 4 hours, but for 30 minutes now it's near to the take profit, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it started entering now at the overbought area. So it started telling you, guys, you need to take some profit. Yes or no? Hasn't become green like here, because look at here. Here what it doing. Like those colors. Is it now here? Yes or no? Let me show it to you. Look at that color here and that color here. It still got orange and a little bit of green. Yes or no? When is going to be the time of taking profit? When it's going to become green like this. Very green. But now it's showing here is the time of taking profit. But not yet. It needs to give us here a price action indicating that the right time for to take the profit, guys. Yes, there is over there. If we zoom it like that. If you zoom in here, what you seeing, guys? Here, look with me here, what you see. If you came here and you're doing like that, a level like that, and here you're doing like that. It give you here like a triangle, guys. Yes or no? And that level here, it's still holding that one. He couldn't break it. Yes or no? Bitcoin, he came to the 200 moving average and he showed there a rejection. So you need to make a close eye at that 200 moving average, guys, and that triangle, that smaller triangle is withdrawing from here. If it's going to break or not. Because if you are a day trader and a scalper, you need to be focused about those things. Everything is too clear, guys? So now the Bitcoin, it started showing you need to take some profit, guys. People will enter from those levels here. Now is the time for start taking some profit, guys. You don't making too much, but you're making money. Because if you are a scalper, that's what you're aiming for. 2%, 1.5%. 3%. You're not going to make 5% up. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.